Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Narayan Reddy, a ServiceNow developer at Palani. In today's video, we are going to learn about subflows in ServiceNow in a very simple way. We will also see a real-time scenario and how to create subflow step by step. First, we will see what is subflow. A subflow is a reusable flow logic in ServiceNow. Instead of writing the same logic again and again in multiple flows, we create a subflow once and reuse it wherever needed. So in simple words, subflow is a reusable flow. Let's take an example. Whenever an incident is created with the category is network, we need to assign the incident to the network team and set priority to high. Here, priority is dependent on impact and urgency. For this, we need to update impact and urgency, then priority is updated automatically. Now imagine this logic is needed in multiple places, like incident creation, service catalog request, and in email-based ticket creation. Instead of repeating this logic everywhere, we create a subflow. Now we will see how to create a subflow. In the navigation, search for Flow Designer. Click on Flow Designer. Click on New. Click on Subflow. Give the subflow name as Assign Network Incident. And run as System User. Click on Build Subflow. Subflow, we are adding the inputs. Click on plus icon. Give the variable name. I am giving incident record. Type as reference to the incident table. Click on Done. Now here add an action. Click on Action. Update record. Click on Update record. Here drag and drop this input record as input, and table is set automatically to the incident table. Here we are giving the assignment group as network. And impact is high. And urgency to medium. Then priority is automatically set to high. Click on Done. Then click on Publish. Then only we can use subflow in flows. Now create a flow. Click on Flow. Give the flow name as Incident Update and run as System User. Build flow. Here in a flow, give the trigger condition. Trigger condition is act like when to perform this operation. Whenever an incident is created. Select table as incident. Click on Done. Now from here, we can add a subflow, which we have already created. Here we are creating assign network incident. Click on that. Pass the incident record. Click on done. Click on activate. Now we will test the flow, how it works. Go to incident table, click on new, fill all the mandatory fields, select category as network, give short description. Wi-Fi is not working. Now click on save. Refresh it. Here you see the changes in priority set to high and assignment group to network group. In this way, we will write the subflows. Benefits of subflows: to avoid duplicate logic and easy maintenance and reusable across multiple flows. So this is how subflow works in ServiceNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.